Email marketing quick start guide. Guys, give me the next 10 to 15 minutes and we're going to go through a guide that help you get started in email marketing. Stay tuned. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below. And if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com, guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. Okay guys, tonight we're going to talk about getting yourself set up for email marketing, and it's a list that'll help you get started if you are not really I guess the word I want to say is highly effective in your email marketing game, or not a pro at it. So you need a little bit of a checklist to get you started. Now, my previous videos were a lot of different methods you can use when it comes to email marketing. This video is just going to be specific, so you can go through step by step and understand what you need to do as far as email marketing. And by the way, you stay tuned to this video to the end. I will have a link where you can access this PDF free. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started, guys. I already have this open. So the first thing people have to realize is you have to perfect getting attention, like a headline that gets people attention. So we're saying attention grabbing headline. And I have a video earlier in this channel where you can go ahead and look at it, because a lot of people don't get their emails clicked on because they don't have a attractive headline where people maybe want to go into your email. So another thing, when we're talking about it, let's talk about number 2, subheadline. That is a backup to the main headline or an offer more value. So this is what you need to do when you're going through there, your checklist. It's yes and no to see if you have that. If it's no, you need to find that attractive headline and you need to find that sub headline. So okay, now the next thing on number 3 is opt-in box asking for email address. Now guys, they have a lot of different programs where you can create an opt-in box. And at the end of this video, if you wait, there's going to be a link that you have an opportunity to have a system that put together where you can have that opt-in box. So just make sure you stay on this video to the end, okay? And I'll have the link, okay? Now, let's go to part 2, number 1. And this is something that I had to learn. Guys, have your split test the main headline. What I'm trying to tell you is you have several headlines to one email message. You need to have some kind of statistic to see which one of those headlines is more effective. So say if you're doing it and you testing it, you want to find out which one is they're actually clicking on the best. So yeah, you need to have a headline, a split test of a headline. That's one thing that I don't think about when I'm shooting emails out. So number 2, you need to have a split test sub headline, guys. So I'm just trying to tell you, these are things that statistically, if you're starting to see things that's getting you traffic for one sub headline versus the one that's not getting you traffic to the sub headline. Say if you invest into paid ads for that, well, if it's not doing work, you're wasting your money. That's why people always say, well, it don't work. Well, have you you put in a statistic on and see which headlines is effective, So that's how you have to do that. You have to do split tests. Okay. Now this is crazy. And these are things that people are not looking at. All right. Say if you have an opt-in that you want people to opt in, you need to have a split test with or without an ebook cover image. Yeah, you need to have that, guys. That's things that a lot of people don't want to spend the time to find out before you invest more revenue into that. Now, number 4, have a split test without a video or a squeeze page. Yeah, you need to do that. And then number 5, have your split test with or without a clickable image forced opt-in. So these the little things you need to have a checklist on. So yeah, I like to have an image, that attract people, but hey, you need to have a split test. Check this out. Number 6, have a split test on different colors and image. I am going to tell you this. I'm a Pinterest marketer. Certain colors people click on image wise than others. So you need to have split tests on that. So these are things that a lot of people jump into online marketing and marketing your business and don't like to do the split test. That's a must. Number 7, have a split test with or without social proof. Yeah. You think about it. You're just getting started out in your internet marketing, and you may not have social proof. You may not have statistic to say this is effective. So you got to have a split test in there. Number 8, have your split test with social media links and fan pages, link boxes. Yeah. You want to split test that. You want to see where it's going. What is most effective? Is effective on the fan page or is effective on the profile page? You want to do that. All right. Number 9, have your split tested with or without testimonies. Yeah, you need to have that, even though you may not have any testimonies to have proof to see if someone's going to do business with you. So you have to do a split test on that. All right. Let's go to number 10. Have your split test with or without your name and profile image. I'm going to tell you this. This is a checklist to check with. Statistically, you need to have your name. You need to have an image on your profile. You even need to have your image and your email address. It makes people feel more comfortable with you. So that's just something personal that I like to use. So, hey, just check it out. All right. Configuration and tracking. This is very vital. And this is something that I was absolutely lazy to. But when things started to not go right, man, I had to put some track. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the training. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Guys, let's go ahead and get back going with the training. Get on it, okay? Check this out. Number 1, have an opt-in form setting configured to the single option. And then number 2, if the subscribers deliver to the correct thank you page after the opt-in. Guys, this is called kind of like a bridge page, and we'll get into that later on. But I just want to be specific on this particular checklist. And I didn't say this particular checklist is on squeeze pages, and I'll have a link at the end of this link. You'll get to see what type of squeeze pages I'm talking about. They TD squeeze pages. So you will like this. Okay. Number 3, have a Facebook tracking pixel in place. And there's a checklist for that, but it's not in this video right now. And I know you've heard of Facebook pixels. So, in case you're marketing on Facebook, this will attract the people back. So, and there are pixels for Pinterest as well. All right. Number 4, have you a pop-up form in place when someone goes to leave the page. Guys, that is very vital that you have something, because when people leave, you need to say, hey, did you get a chance to see blase blase? So that's another way to kind of have something set up for your email campaign or email marketing. Number 6, have you an opt-in form setting configure to single options. So, and that's almost like the first one. They may have said it twice. So yeah, and when you get to this actual PDF, once you go ahead and get this link that I'm gonna give you at the end, you can look at some of these designs. You can look at some of these. I won't do it on this video. When you go ahead and get this particular PDF, it's free. So when you go in and get it, you go ahead and click on these links and you can see things. Okay, now let's go down to more TD pages. Okay, let's go on down. Okay, you know what, guys, that was it on that. This is real simple. You know what, while we're here, well, you know, we won't do it like that. We'll just keep this short. I will read this to you. The idea of a traffic domination squeeze past landing page to get the highest conversion possible by asking for the email. We increase our conversions. The more fields you ask, the lower the conversions will be. So what they're saying is you want a single easy opt-in page where if it's too busy, guys, you probably won't get people to come into your page. Yeah, I want to kind of keep this some real simple. So this is enough to keep you going. So go ahead. I'll have this look at the link that I'll have this link somewhere in front of this video. So you guys can go here and go through. It's a little funnel that it takes you through, and you eventually get through it, and then you log in and you get this PDF, and it will be on the left column once you log in. Guys, take care, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you the next time around. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.